Most men think making a woman miss you means texting less, acting cold, or playing stupid games. But that's not what actually creates obsession. What makes a woman miss you deeply happens inside her mind. Not in your messages, not in your words, and definitely not in chasing. If you've ever wondered why some men can disappear and suddenly become unforgettable, while others give everything and still get ignored, this video will explain exactly why and how you can flip that switch. This is not manipulation, this is psychology. And once you understand it, you'll never look at attraction the same way again. First, you need to understand this truth. Women don't miss presence, they miss emotional contrast. If you are always there, always available, always predictable, there is nothing for her mind to replay. The brain doesn't crave what it fully understands. It craves what feels unfinished. That's why the first principle is controlled absence. When you stop being constantly available, her mind doesn't relax. It starts filling the silence. She wonders what you're doing, who you're with, why you're not reaching out. And that uncertainty creates emotional tensions. Silence is not empty. Silence is loud. But here's the mistake most men make. They disappear emotionally while still being mentally attached, stalking her stories, reacting fast when she posts, secretly hoping she notices. That kills the effect. True absence means you are genuinely busy building your life, not pretending to be unavailable. Women can feel fake distance, but real independence is magnetic. Second, you must understand how imagination works. A woman's attraction grows strongest when she imagines you, not when she has you. Her imagination is far more powerful than reality. When she doesn't know what you're doing, her mind creates stories, and the mind always exaggerates. She starts imagining you laughing, succeeding, being admired, maybe even desired by other women. That triggers emotional investment. That's why mystery is more powerful than explanation. You don't overshare. You don't update her on every detail of your life. You don't justify your absence. You let her wonder. Third, create emotional anchors. Women don't miss men. They miss how a man made them feel. If every interaction with you was logical, neutral, or safe, there's nothing to crave. You need moments that stand out. A deep conversation at night. A playful tease. A calm, confident silence. A moment where she felt seen or challenged. Those moments lodge into her emotional memory. When you pull back after creating emotional depth, her brain keeps replaying those moments, trying to relive them. That's how missing begins. Fourth, show progression without seeking validation. One of the biggest triggers for attraction is growth. When a woman sees you improving, physically, mentally, socially, financially, without asking for her approval, it creates a powerful psychological effect. She starts thinking, he's moving forward. What if I'm not part of that future? That fear of being left behind intensifies desire. Post your wins subtly, not flexing, not explaining, just living. A gym photo, a project, a trip, a calm, confident presence. You're not trying to impress her. You're showing that life is happening, with or without her. Fifth, stop reacting to attention bait. When a woman senses distance, she often tests it. She posts a photo, a quote, a story designed to get your reaction. Most men fail. Here they like, immediately, comment or message that gives her reassurance. And reassurance kills curiosity when you don't react. her mind starts asking questions. Did he see it? Does he care? Why didn't he respond? Uncertainty creates obsession. Silence creates space for desire to grow. Sixth, respond calmly, not eagerly, when she finally reaches out. This is where attraction is either multiplied or destroyed. If you respond with excitement, long messages, emotional relief, you tell her you were waiting. That signals dependence. Instead, you respond grounded, relaxed, brief but warm, not cold, not rude, just stable. This shows emotional self-control, and self-control is attractive. You're not chasing the moment, you're comfortable in it. Seventh, trigger mild jealousy, not insecurity. Jealousy doesn't mean manipulation, it means showing options. A photo with friends, including women, social, proof, laughter, life. You're not rubbing anything in her face. You're reminding her that you are chosen by life, not begging for attention. Her mind does the rest. She wonders where she fits, if she still has access to you, if she might lose you. That fear sharpens desire. Eighth, create identity, association. People miss identities, not individuals. If she associates you with a feeling, calm, excitement, inspiration, safety, challenge, she will miss you whenever that feeling is triggered. This is why nicknames, shared jokes, music, places, inside references are powerful. They bypass logic and go straight to emotion. Every time she encounters those triggers, you appear in her mind without effort. Ninth, embody leadership energy. Women are drawn to men who lead themselves. Leadership is not control, it's direction. When you introduce her to new ideas, perspectives, experiences, when you guide without forcing, teach without ego, she associates you with growth, and people miss those who elevate them. A man who expands her world becomes hard to forget. Finally, give her real space, not as a tactic, but as respect. When you allow her to live, explore, and grow, she has room to feel your absence. Closeness without space creates suffocation. Space with connection creates longing. Missing only happens when distance exists. And here's the most important truth. You don't make a woman miss you by trying. You make her miss you by becoming someone who is complete without her. When she feels that, her emotions respond naturally. Desire grows where freedom exists. If this video helped you see attraction differently, like and subscribe to Psychology Hacks. And remember, confidence is silent, obsession is loud. See you in the next video.